In this video, you will learn how to convert PDF file to MS Word. Suppose you want to convert a PDF file into MS Word, then this video is for you. Please watch this video till the end, and at the end you will learn how to convert a PDF file into MS Word. So let's begin. Before beginning of this video, I want to request you one thing. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so that you will get notification first on your notification bar. So let's begin, guys. First, open your browser. Open your favorite browser, whatever, in any browser you can open it. You can open Firefox, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, or anything. Let me open Firefox. Open there and go to your drive, Google Drive. When you open your Google Drive, then go here. When you click on new to upload your file upload. Now select your file to upload. I want to upload this file 100 English PDF. After selecting this file, then click on open. It will take some time to open. It will pop up on your Google Drive interface. When it comes on your Google Drive interface, then click here, right click here, then open with Google document. It will open as a Google document. Now you can see this PDF file has been converted to MS Word file. You can edit it. You can edit this file also. Let me show you how to edit this. Suppose I want to put something. I will show you how to edit this file. Suppose I want to write something here. You can see, make it bold, or you can color it, anything you want to do. Clearly you can see you can edit this PDF file. After editing all in the document, you can save it or go to file, then download as a docx file. Now save this file. It will be saved here. Okay, now the file has been saved. We'll open it now. The file has been saved to download folder. Now this file has been saved. Now I'm going to open this file. Okay, you can see the PDF file has been converted to MS Word file. Here you can edit or anything you want to delete or edit, whatever you want to do, you can do it. So this way you can convert a PDF file to MS Word file very easily. You can apply this method to convert a PDF file to Word file. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you really like this video and this video is helpful for you, then hit a like button, share it with your friends, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Thank you guys. See you soon in my next video.